Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is fine. In this video we are going to solve some mole numericals. So let's start. First of all we will write the question. The question is a sample of ammonium phosphate can be produced by the reaction of aqueous ammonia and phosphoric acid. So the question says that the ammonium phosphate can be prepared by the reaction of aqueous ammonia and phosphoric acid. So we will write the equation. Aqueous, 3 moles of ammonia, aqueous plus phosphoric acid in aqueous form produces ammonium phosphate in aqueous form. So the first part, okay, we are given some volumes and concentrations. 25 centimeter cube of 1.25 moles per decimeter cube, mole per decimeter cube of phosphoric acid is neutralized by 45.3 centimeter cube of aqueous ammonia. In part 1 we have to calculate the concentration in mole per decimeter cube of ammonia used. Calculate the concentration in moles per decimeter cube of ammonia used. In order to calculate the concentration of ammonia, we are given concentration of ammonium phosphate. We are given concentration of phosphoric acid and volume of phosphoric acid. So we are going to calculate the number of moles of phosphoric acid. Number of moles of phosphoric acid. The formula that we are going to use is concentration in mole per decimeter cube is equals to number of moles divided by volume in decimeter cube. So you can see here that we are given volume in centimeter cube. So we are going to convert this volume in decimeter cube. 25 centimeter cube divided by 1000 is equals to 0.025 decimeter cube. This is the volume of phosphoric acid in decimeter cube. Now we are going to put the values of concentration in volume in order to get the number of moles. Number of moles is equals to concentration multiplied by volume. Concentration is 1.25 and volume is 0.025. So we get 0.03125 moles of phosphoric acid. Now we are going to use the ratio method to calculate the concentration of calculate the concentration of ammonia. We can see here 3 moles of ammonia reacts with 1 mole of phosphoric acid. So how many concentration we are going to take it at x moles per decimeter cube produces x moles per decimeter cube reacts with 1 we can see that 3 moles of ammonia reacts with 1 mole of phosphoric acid. So how many moles of ammonia reacts with 0.03125 moles? We are going to cross multiply and then we will get the answer of x. So the answer that we get is 0.09375. This is the number of moles of ammonia used. Now we are 0.09375 moles. Now we are going to put this value of moles in the formula of concentration that we will use next. Concentration is equals to ammonia की calculate करें. Concentration in moles per decimeter cube is equals to number of moles upon volume concentration equals to number of moles are 0.09375 and the volume was 45.3 centimeter cube, which we are going to convert in decimeter cube, so we will get 0.0453 decimeter cube. So we are going to put this value in the equation 0.0453. So the answer we get is 2.07 mole per decimeter cube. So this is the concentration of ammonia used in moles per decimeter cube. The next part says that show by calculation that 4.66 grams of ammonium phosphate would be produced. Ammonium phosphate would be produced assume that the yield is 100%. Yield is 100%. Molecular mass of, we are given the molecular mass of ammonium phosphate, that is 99. 149, sorry. We will write the equation again so that you can understand better. 3NH3 plus H3PO4 produces NH4 3PO4. So we have to here take the ratio of ammonium phosphate and so we are going to take the ratio of phosphoric acid and ammonium phosphate, that is 1:1. In the last part we calculate the moles of phosphoric acid. So here 1 mole of phosphoric acid reacts with 1 mole of produces 1 mole of ammonium phosphate. So 0.03125 moles of phosphoric acid produces how many moles of ammonium phosphate? By cross multiplication we will get the answer 0.03125. Since the ratio is 1:1, so the number of moles will be same of NH3PO4. So now we are going to put this value of moles to calculate the mass. Number of moles is equals to mass upon molecular mass. Number of moles was 0.03125. Mass, we have to calculate mass, so we are going to put X over here, and molecular mass was given, that is 149. X is equals to 0.03125 into 149. So we will get the answer of 4.66 grams. So the last part that we are going to do is, in practice, the actual mass of ammonium phosphate is produced is 2.93 grams. Calculate the percentage yield of ammonium phosphate. The formula of percentage yield is actual yield upon theoretical yield. Actual yield means the actual mass that is produced or that is reacted, and theoretical yield is the calculated mass that we calculated in the last part. So we are going to calculate percentage, so we are going to multiply by 100. So in this question, actual yield is 2.93 grams, actual yield, and the theoretical yield was 4.66. Actual yield is 2.93 grams and theoretical yield is 4.66 grams. Percentage yield is equals to 2.93 upon 4.66 multiplied by 100, so that comes 62.87 percentage yield. So I hope that you understand the numerical. If you understand it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. Allah Hafiz.